Hello, Team TFT. Welcome back to another week of the Daily Market Outlook video. We're going to cover the DXY, Euro USD, and GBP USD pairs. Firstly, we'll jump over the economic calendar here, have a bit of a look. So we're on Tuesday here. We can see core retail sales are coming out at 10:30 or the start of the New York session, which may give us a little bit of volatility. But the rest of the week at the moment is looking pretty good. We do have unemployment claims on Thursday, so it'll be interesting to see how that comes back as well, because that'll have a big effect on the Dixie. So basically, at the moment, the Dixie is just tanking. It is just continuing to fall. It has fallen for obviously the past week or so. Now we can see here, if we zoom out, we need to start looking left and seeing, well, where can we anticipate price to go? So we can see here we've got an area here where this has been a resistance. So it'll be interesting to see if we come down and we can find a support in this level, or ultimately coming down into this zone down here would be a next sort of a target area, somewhere within there to find a bit of supply to start pushing, or a bit of demand to start pushing the price back up again. So at the moment, everything's just screaming bearish. We are continuing to fall. We'll jump down here on the 15-minute and have a bit of a look. So basically at the moment, we can see here on this 15-minute chart, we've had this big pull down. We've sort of accumulated for a little while. We then had a pullback down. So obviously built liquidity on these highs through here. Then we pushed way back up, swept that high liquidity, and have obviously started to come back down. So we've had this liquidity sweep. So it's probably pretty safe to say that we're going to continue to see our bearish momentum today coming down and at least taking this low out. So what we're going to be looking for today is a possible pull down, retest, and go short, or we may see a pullback up to close the orders out that have been manipulated to sweep that liquidity up into this area to go short from there. So they're the two areas that I'll be looking for to be selling from the US dollar today. Now over to euro. So basically, with the dollar being long, obviously, with the dollar being short, obviously we're looking long on euro. So same sort of thing here. We can see here we've just had this big push up, and we've been continuing to just push up. We've now cleared this area that was giving us a bit of a grief. So we've tapped in, pulled down, tapped in again, pulled down, tapped in again, pulled down, and then obviously finally broken through. So now we start to look left again and try and work out, well, where is probably the next area that we could be starting to see. Now we can see here we're already up into this price range through here. Get rid of a couple of these things here. So basically we're here in this area here. It's pretty safe to say that we're probably going to come up in and around this supply area up here. We've got some equal highs there. We had a big push down, pull back up. We found the support in there, and we've continued to drop from that area. So basically looking for pushing up into that area. So we're going to continue long for the time being on euro. And 15-minute, we'll jump down to the 15-minute here and get an idea of what's going on in the past couple of days. So we can see here we had this big impulse up, and we've sort of just sideways consolidated. Pretty tight range, actually. It's been stuck within a 40 pip range now for two trading days there, and finally broke to the upside there in today's price action. So basically what I'd love to see is we can see this pull down here that's come down and swept liquidity, Asian low liquidity there. So that to me would be a good area to be looking to go long from. So if we do see that pull back down into that area, we could definitely go long from there. Or failing that, we see a break to the upside, we can find an internal structure point on the euro, on the Asian range there, and go long from that position. So they're the two trades that I would be looking for today, or areas that I could be looking to trade from. GU. Now, as we see that whereas euro has obviously consolidated sideways, GU's been consolidating downwards. We've come up into this high volume area in here, we can see there's been a lot of price action in and around this area. So it's not surprising to see that we are getting a little bit of a rejection from that key area there. So basically what I would be assuming or looking for is, based on the dollar, we probably still want to be seeing it go long, but definitely want to see that 15-minute break of structure. So 4 hours still definitely long. We have not broken any 4-hour structure. So we have on a 15-minute here, we've gone short again, and now we're pulling back up. So definitely want to see a clearing of this London session high from yesterday. See that high get taken, come back down and go long out of the Asian range there, or possibly see a pull down, find a support in that recent low, don't break that low, and go long from that area there. So that would be the other area, is anywhere below the Asian range down to that wick would be the area that I'd be looking to take a long from, out of that area. But again, would love to see, I'd be very hesitant to be taking a long from this area if this high here is still kept intact. Obviously, if that high still stays, then we're still bearish on the 15-minute. We need to be careful when coming down into here that we do see that sign of support before jumping into a trade. Don't just jump into a trade and expect it to hold if we haven't had this break of a high over here. So anyway, guys, thanks for jumping on again today. Appreciate your support, and I will catch you again on tomorrow's video. Thank you. Thanks for watching another Daily Market Outlook video. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like it. Also, guys, we are the largest Tradesmen Forex group tailored to helping hundreds of tradesmen get their time back through trading. If you want access to structured education, 18 live sessions across 7 days a week, mental health and mindset support from a qualified psychologist, and access to multiple different trading strategies from 10 different mentors, then jump over to our website at www.teamtft.co.uk. Please remember, this is not financial advice, and you should not trade based on anything I have said in this video. This is just my own opinion and nothing more. And remember, manage your risk, stick to your plan, and secure those profits. Have a ripper day.